Alright everyone, so what's going on today? Today we're going to be talking about how to use a clickable usernames and hashtags in your bio. So these are really easy to create. This is a new update inside of Instagram, but these are not something that is difficult. So I'm gonna be using desktop instead of my regular phone today. So here's how you do it. So this is my brand and whatever. Here's my little website I have going on here. But what I want to do is show you how to create something like this. So this is clickable. Like this is my personal profile, which I do not use really that much at all. So to create this, let's just go in here. Let's go into edit. And if you want to do a hashtag, it is simple as this. Say online marketer and that, and you can just hit submit. And you see it's on that hashtag. Boom, online marketer. I don't know how effective. Let me check my phone real quick. See if the hashtag was actually going to be in there as a person. Like, hold on, let's do this. Online marketer. So I'm not sure how effective this is when it comes to hashtags, because it really has to be inside of here, online marketer. It's like I have marketing tips, and you'll actually see what I'm talking about. So marketing tips, see them right there because it's right here. But to actually do the username, you're just going to use the @ sign. I'm not logged into this account, so I'll be able to do it here. But just like the hashtag, you're just going to hit the @ sign and you're just going to hit save or submit, and you're done. Or it'll be saved on your phone, I believe, or done editing. I think it is. But anyways, that's it. So it's simple as really that. I have a free opt-in that you will be able to jump on a free course. If you want to grab that, it's going to be in the description area. Other than that, that's the end of this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed these types of videos. Anyways, peace.